We have a cat, and one of the trickiest things is to have a litter box that isn't an eyesore and sort of stays hidden, yet is functional for our cat, right? And so this litter box, it looks like a big vase or a planter, yet it has a hole for the cat where the litter goes. And it comes with this faux plant that you stick into the top here. This is a like foam filter that I'm probably gonna put some light rocks around here just to cover it up. And this is made of a really strong, sturdy plastic. And it kind of has, well, you can see kind of like a heathered finish. It's a creamy heathered finish with some ribbing details. And what happens is this top pops off so that you are able to change out the litter and clean it. It does come in a variety of colors depending on your home's decor. Very easy to put together, clean out. My cat uses it daily and has no issues with it. It's not as small as it looks. I think that the video makes it look like it's a little smaller, but it's a pretty nice size for a cat. And it kind of just looks like a planter in your house. It doubles. So highly recommend this if you're looking for something a little bit more unique as a cat litter box.